Okay guys, what is up on the Game Barrier? And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the secret banner in loading screen 4. But just before we start the video, I'm just going to give you guys a little apology for not uploading. It's because on my PS I don't really upload, and I usually do it on the PC. So remember guys to like and subscribe, because season 8 we're going to have there's going to be lots and lots to do and cover. So let's get right into the video. I will do solo. So guys, finding the secret banner in loading screen 4 is quite hard, and it's quite high up on a building. Well, not even on the building, it's like next to it, but hey, I don't like that dance. So we're going to be I'll show you guys quickly. And as you can see guys, let me show it. It's in the bottom hand corner. So if you look under the drift board, and the house, it is there, but I will show you that in a second. So come on, load in. So you're going to be heading to Happy Hamlet to see where. Okay, Happy Hamlet's quite early. So this is the exact location of where you guys are going to be getting the banner. So, but it is quite hard. So if you do if you do what I do and you look up and you look in there, you may not find it at the exact point that I've done, but it may be just like a bit higher or a bit lower, so keep checking. And remember guys, you have to have the battle pass to do this for the snowfall challenges, or it won't work. And I found that out when my friend tried to show it to me when I didn't have the battle pass. But hey, anyway, oh no, Happy Hamlet hasn't loaded in. Alert. Come on, load in. It's here. It's on this building here. Oh god, I'm gonna glitch, aren't I? Oh, finally, it's loaded. So guys, I'm just gonna get a gun, because like, solo is quite risky, especially when it's one of the first stops. So I'm just gonna get a gun quickly out of this. Yeah, and a shield, just so we don't get sniped halfway through the video. But you guys are gonna need to farm like a few mats, or you won't be able to get up to it. And it is like literally underneath. I'm gonna try and aim it. Oh dang it. Okay, anyway, you guys have got to build up. And it should be about. It should be about here. Just about here. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. The secret banner will be there, and you can catch it. And so, yeah. Remember to smash that like button, because every time in season 8 there's going to be a new thing that I'm going to help you guys out with it. So, until next time, goodbye!